Welcome to REDSHIFT Laser, where creativity meets technology. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating laser process of making your own 3D acrylic LED lamps. Let's get started. This is where the magic happens. Witness the precision and artistry of laser engraving. We show you how the laser transfers your design onto the acrylic sheet. Watch as the laser etches your design onto the acrylic sheet. The laser moves with incredible precision, creating crisp, intricate patterns and designs. Now, you might be wondering, what's the secret behind these mesmerizing 3D designs? 3D acrylic LED lamps are laser engraved to perfection. It's a combination of art and technology that creates an optical 3D illusion and plays tricks on the eyes. Perfect gift for home decoration, playroom, office, or kids' room decor. The magic lies in the layering of acrylic sheets. By laser engraving different layers with varying depths, we create a 3D effect that is both visually stunning and unique. After engraving, we'll cut out the shape of our lamp. This step requires precision, as the fit into the LED base must be snug. And there you have it. This is laser engraved and cut custom acrylic crafts that you made from scratch. Imagine the possibilities and designs you can create. The final look of your 3D acrylic LED lamp with a wooden base. It's a blend of art, technology, and your individuality, making it a perfect gift or a unique addition to your home decor. Your 3D acrylic LED lamp is glowing with a captivating radiance. It's a true work of art. But why stop at just the acrylic? Let's add a personal touch with a wooden base. Laser engraving your own unique design or message onto the wooden base, making your 3D LED night lamp even more special. Welcome to contact us for a quote on REDSHIFT Laser Machine.